Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Gorgeous car, man. This car has beautiful paint on it. This car is actually, I don't know how to word this. It's actually an older restoration. We actually bought this car local. Late 90s, early 2000, this car went through a complete frame-off restoration. All the receipts for that are in the trunk. But now the car has actually just recently been, what do you want to call it, freshened up, I guess I'd say. When I say that, the paint was just done literally just a year and a half ago. It's kind of funny. It's a small world. The guy who actually painted this car walked into our building here. But it's got gorgeous paint. This is the factory color combination. This is Cordovan maroon, I think is what it's called. Really pretty color. It's got a black vinyl top. It's got factory black deluxe interior in it. Great car, guys. It's got a 69 date coated 396 motor in it. TCI 400 trans, disc brakes, 12 bolt rear end, and really just a pretty car. Car only has 8,500 miles on the restoration. So even though it's older, there's not a ton of miles on this car. Sorry, man, it's kind of dripping a little raindrops here, so I'm gonna kind of fight through that. It's kind of been our weather pattern here lately. Chrome and stainless is very nice. I actually didn't get to drive this. Jay drove it, said it drives outstanding. Plenty of power. I mean, he said it just handles outstanding. He said it runs and drives excellent. Pretty car, though. The car's got a great look to it. Again, beautiful paint on it. It's just little raindrops, guys. Sorry, it just kind of spitting a little rain here. Just cannot get out of this weather pattern. You see, I think it's nice and flat down the sides. Brand new rubber, brand new wheels. Those are 18 and 20 inch Americans. Took some real nice pictures of the underside for you. Little stone peck right there, but that's just nitpicking it, guys. You know, I try to make sure everybody understands these are old cars, man. You can nitpick anything. It's got frame connectors on it. See, it's got front disc brakes. Again, this is a 69 date coated 396 engine. It's got L78 heads on it. It is a Holley 750 4-barrel on it. Edelbrock Performer intake, headers, power steering, power disc brakes. This is pretty cool. This is kind of like a NASCAR system. It's a fresh air intake or a ram air intake, and it's actually functional. You can see it's got finned aluminum valve covers on it. Again, it is a 400 TCI trans with a stall converter. Pretty car. How many miles you put on it, Jay, on the way back? How many miles you put on it on the way back?
An hour and a half on the way back.
Yeah, so Jay, when we bought it, Jay drove it up back here over an hour and a half. So good car, guys, roadworthy. The nice thing about having, like I say, 8,500 miles on, a lot of the cars we get don't have very many miles. A car like this is well sorted, man. Usually don't have a lot of adjustments. Usually it's turn the key and old plug and play. love the deluxe interior. It's got the correct molded door pads and everything in it. All the correct seat belts. It is a sport steering wheel. And then this is cool. It's got a Autometer Pro Comp gauge cluster in it. 8656 on the odometer. Aftermarket AM/FM radio. It's an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. It's a 12-bolt 355 limited slip gear. Again, it does have frame connectors. Jay said it's got plenty of power, so the car, you know, it pulls. Here's all the documentation for the original restoration, but like I said, it has kind of, I don't know what word you want to use, refreshing, because the paint is pretty doggone fresh on this car. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. I can see a spare. I'm assuming there's a jack in there. They've relocated the battery. Fit and finish is very nice on the car. Car's nice underneath. We got it up in the air and took some good pictures for you. Pretty car, man. Car's got a great look to it. This paint really looks wet. Like I say, the guy that come in here, I mean, I told him, I said, man, he put down a heck of a paint job on it. There's a little split there in the dash, but this paint is outstanding on this car. It's got a good sound. You'll hear it when Jay fires it up here. Lunati camshaft. Again, all that paperwork's in the trunk for it. Pretty car. See all the dash lights work. Tax functional, all your gauges are working. Backup lights work. Car gets its R's, like, I mean, it's quick, very quick. Radio works, blower motor. Yep. Blower motor does work, guys. And all your gauges are functional. Doors open and close nice. That's a good car, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that's a pretty car, man. I'm telling you, that car's got an outstanding look to it. Sits good.